Indian companies are showing better performance, especially share market. Indian company share values are improving from last 2 years. Even public sector undertakings shares price also improving because of huge investment attraction or investment destination by the global investors in India are investing more in Indian public sector undertakings and many companies, Indian companies. When there is a withdrawal of foreign institutional investors, sale of shares by foreign institutional investors, the gap is filled up by domestic investors. Means there is no dearth of funds because of support by domestic investors through mutual funds, other funds, and also individual investments by high net worth individuals. The prices of Indian companies are improving. One basic question is whether Indian companies also can listing can become a listed company in other exchange of the world, whether it is permitted. This is the basic question. Until now, Indian companies were not allowed to list their shares in the global stock exchanges, means outside India. Until now, the process was to Indian companies were allowed to access overseas external foreign market only through depository receipts, that is American depository receipts and global depository receipts, after the companies being listed in Indian stock exchanges. Though Indian companies' performance is good and value is improving, the companies are unable to list their shares in the global exchanges easily. To overcome this situation, the Indian government has established an International Financial Services Center in Gujarat called Gift City to look after. It is nothing but a foreign office, Indian office of foreign companies. So it is nothing but office of foreign agencies to perform their activities in India. It means whatever the investment made through International Finance Service Center, Gift City, will be treated as investment made outside the country, and an investment received through Gift City also treated as investments received from foreign institutional investors. This center is regulated or maintained by Ministry of Finance, Corporate Affairs, and to accommodate Indian companies to list their shares in the global market. What is the purpose of Indian companies to be listed in stock exchange, other foreign stock exchanges? The main idea is to get the true value of their performance, efficiency, capabilities. The Indian companies can have better price, get a better price for their shares, and also attract foreign institutional investors, foreign investors also to have the better price for their shares, for the shares of these companies. It means the value or image of the company will improve if the shares of Indian company is listed in foreign stock exchanges. To accommodate this process, SEBI has prescribed operational guidelines for the companies to allow their shares to be listed in foreign stock exchanges. These guidelines allows the companies to list their shares in international exchanges, National Stock Exchange, and other international exchanges. Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Corporates, along with the SEBI, play an important role to make a provision to allow the companies to list their shares in foreign stock exchanges. The main purpose is to have the better valuation or true valuation for the value for the shares of the issued by the Indian companies. The efficient companies may get better price for their investors or for their efficiency performance in India. Means because India became the destination for investments, not only from domestic investors but also from foreign investors. To have the benefit of foreign investors and foreign funds flow to the Indian corporate sector through stock exchanges, that will be permitted, that will be allowed with the permission, by allowing the companies to list their shares in foreign stock exchanges. Also, one more advantage is any shares held by foreign shareholders and any capital gain arised on the sale of shares of Indian companies in The foreign share in the stock exchange in the listed in stock exchanges listed stock exchanges in foreign countries will be exempt from tax. That is the advantage. The foreign investors can enjoy the tax benefit from Indian taxation point of view. According to the Companies Act, a public limited company should have at least three directors, seven shareholders, and a minimum of 21 lakhs paid up capital. Minimum of 21 lakhs authorized capital, and to become a listed company, the basic requirement is prescribed gradual time to time by the SEBI to have the net worth. Their companies, based on the net worth of the company will be allowed to be listed in the stock exchanges according to SEBI guidelines as per issued time to time. Now the SEBI is allowing the Indian companies to list their shares even outside India in foreign stock exchanges also, to get better value, better reputation, better image for Indian companies through stock exchanges foreign countries. This is a great opportunity for Indian companies to have to show to get the true value for their efficiency, performance, and best results, recognized by not only by domestic investors but also by global investors.